Okay, so it is Friday the 10th of November. I'm just going to do a weekly roundup on the trades I set out, what I did do, what I done wrong, anything of that nature really. So let's get into it really. Starting off on DXY on the weekly. Midweek I even said it could roll over to tap into here. We didn't get that this week. So I'm thinking I think we do get the tap next week here. So whether it might be if we zoom in a bit. So this is the week's high we'll have here. So I can easily see it doing something like comes here, deviates, and then it plays this move out here, maybe come to the support level, and then yeah, that would make the most sense to me. That's what I would like to look out for. Whether it happens or not, I personally think it does happen, to be honest. Because sorry, I keep burping, but even if you look at previous week mid, previous week high, yeah. So we take out the previous week low, which is here, and then we reverse. So and we're not really targeting. We don't have enough fuel to come here. Like there's a lot of green candles, so the probability of like more green candles being printed is low in my opinion. Let's not try to guess it though, but gut feeling is saying this midpoint here, right here, we just come here, come back inside, and then look for lows. And I think that bias goes well with the other coins as well. So yeah, I'll just quickly go through the indexes as well. Pound downside, euro. I think upside. Honestly, I think upside. Why do I think that? Because I drew these squiggly lines. I'm joking. But so easy structure here. Where's my button there? Easy structure here. So if we zoom into it more. If you're looking at eye test, it has respect. One more test, it breaks down for me. If it shows strength here, rallies. So to be honest, I'm looking at the downside for euro as well, to be honest. It's not looking too pretty, especially since it's broken out of this trend here and it's not showing strength. So still coming around the lows. I mean, you can argue that it is round enough. It is coming around there like that, but you would expect by now it starts spazzing out. It's not done that. If it comes into this level here, let's say this level here, should really start look to hold this one here. It's not showing a lot of strength, so immediate thoughts downside, but let's see for now. Sorry, not GJ, just yen downside. To be honest, it's quite shit to look at. I do think it starts to round up, form a bottom maybe here maybe. We do look to. I'm sensing a reversal soon. Maybe come back into here. Come down here, bang, 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 bang. Yeah, something like that. Again, it's essentially knife catching, so bundle that. ES, I think I was explaining it midweek as well, like I don't like trading ES. It's not been clean at all for my liking, so I tend to stay away from it, but we have this structure here. Even you can argue here as well, which is finding resistance at the previous monthly high. Yeah, so it's wicked off it. You would expect to see a bit of reaction to come down here. It is early doors, so I am keeping close, but does that look bearish to you? My initial plan was to get this 0.75. this little here to here range, it's quite choppy. So I would favor this move, to be honest. If it comes up here, because this is just so light. It has sold off, but I'll keep tabs. It depends on how it reacts to this level here. But this is my final straw. I really don't think it gets above here. Look to sell, and then we'll look at here, and then here maybe. Yeah. Oh, bloody hell it is. So yeah. That's yes. Pound. So I didn't have a clear bias for the week on the dollar, so that's why I didn't enter. These are all green because I didn't enter. So I had expected a push forward first, which for most of these pairs I did think like that, and I never really did get it. So it's one to look out for. But this played the range beautifully. Like it bled out very quickly. I probably would have gotten like scared here, filled in the inefficiency, but it's just continued to bleed down. For the next week, if we get some sort of pullback, maybe into here, I would love to short here. I would love to. It's a good level. But I mean, if we're looking at this week, that's just happened. Here. Yeah, I mean, I'm favouring the downside to even like the monthly, right? So if we just go off the monthly range here, apologies. If we just go off the monthly range here, let me just get back up. The monthly range, it was here. Whoops. Here. We've taken it out, deviated, and then it's just strong conviction to just go for the lows, you know? So what's the midpoint here? Oh god. What's the midpoint here? Alright, I'm just gonna continue just in case there was a cut. What's the midpoint here? Keep saying the same thing, man. I'm not cut out for this. Well, that tells you something, doesn't it? So what do we look for in this situation? Any sort of acceptance for this range here, then I'll look to scale in really. So next week maybe I'll probably look for something like to play it down into to here really, and then try to really squeeze the last bit of it out. Whether that happens, it seems a bit too easy. That's just me personally. This one never really done anything, so I'm not really too mad on it. Like, I think this is a whole week's of price action. This whole thing here, like, there's nothing in it really. Not too pissed about that. This is I'm a bit annoyed that this should be green as well. I never took this hindsight. Realistically, should have been quicker to enter. Although it was showing chop, let's give my like here really, but it should be here. In an ideal world, you know what? Yeah, even this is just so choppy. It's just best to stay away from yen pairs. So what I would have, what showed acceptance here really. Even if I did get it there, maybe I could have played it twice, but realistically, nah. But yeah, this definitely sees this range high. I'm expecting it to just trade above here for now. On a macro scale, just come back and deviate that. If we just look at the weekly for a sec, it definitely looks set to take. Let's go on the monthly. To take that level there, you know, maybe if we even take out, if we look to take out these highs here, it's doable. But me personally, I don't really like the yen pair at the moment, just because of where 6J is at. USD CAD was another one. I did play it to this half range here. Acceptance above the Q2 high was a good like move. I could have caught it from here really. Actually, not really. Didn't even touch the level. This is the thing. It's not really going cleanly. I think it's because of the Vantage one. So what I might do is I might just compare the graphs and see see if I get a better success rate, because it's not touching the levels. That's the one thing I might change brokers. But anyway, I'm digressing. This is the technical aspects of this will tell me at least it's coming into here, so I'll look to play it here. I'll really, I closed this too early as well. Really, I wouldn't be opposed to closing it now, and it's not the biggest difference really. But if we look at the 4 hour, it's quite a bad candle for the 4 hour, and there's no signs to say like why it did do that. So maybe it just deviates. That would be nasty if it just deviates, to be honest. If it comes back in here, yeah, I'm just gonna play the reverse trade, to be honest. Euro USD, this is a bit of a dead one as well. I think this was literally the whole week's price action we had. That's it. I didn't really like play any levels. Yeah, it didn't do much really. It was like what was the other one? Was it the GJ? Yeah. It didn't really do much, so I'm not really mad. I didn't take this either. This to me looks like it's gonna go down. It's just it's really fighting it. So next week I'll look to play the bottom half of the range. Maybe take out these lows, because it looks minty to take out all these lows. There's so much liquidity here. So I would not be surprised at all if it just targets those lows, even if we go here. Because once we go here, bro, look, untapped, like there's so much here. It could easily just drive it down, push it here, come like that really. So this is a trade I am looking for next week. It looks quite nasty here. Just don't see, there's so much here, like. Anyway, Euro GBP. Ooh, this is so annoying. But literally, I think I wrote this down like on my Twitter. Let me get it up. Like my Twitter's here somewhere. Where's my Twitter? Where did I put Euro GBP? Euro GBP. This was 4 days ago, so the Monday. Where's Euro GBP? Here. Look at that, man. I was looking for a rejection of the previous week mid here. Never got that, and it was so strong. Like, I'm not closing it here, am I? Just continue. This would have been so beautiful. I even wrote it down on a hindsight thing. Get it up. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. Nope, that's not it. Here it is. Yeah. I could have made about a cool 300-400. About 30% of my account just playing 2 positions here. That's just 7R here. That's and I wrote it down on a Monday, and I did nothing. But that's the game. Next week I'll look how to play this really. I'm looking at the downside for this. I wouldn't even be surprised if it just chopped around here for a bit. Just chop. It is a bit of a significant level. I mean, so yeah. That's that, man. Just not playing the levels right. This is another one. The next 3 are just bad. Like, here I could have easily made like 50% of my account playing 3 positions. I know it's all if, buts and maybes, but I genuinely did write all this down. Like, it's just shit execution, really. I didn't actually think it'd bleed this fast, and I did hold it. Where is it? Where's this one here? Oh. This one here. That's what I played it to. That's just not good enough, man. A 2R when there was a 10R, really, for grabs. This is definitely just going to tag it, so maybe I'll look to... There is quite a lot of support around here. Something like that. I'll look to go long. I'll see what the range is giving me, but I'm liking along here, especially like if I'm expecting a reversal for DXY soon, would not be a bad idea. And then same story for New Zealand. Could have played three positions again, and then this is the one I actually did do. It wasn't a bad trade, but it's just I got scraps compared to what I expected. And again, I did do this one as well. Come down here and play the weekly range, and it's played half of it. Probably taps into here and then reverses. So yeah. And then that's it really. That's all I looked out for. Gold. I didn't play any of these positions, so I'm just gonna get rid of these. Gold looks like it's just playing for this range now. This one here. One sec. Whoops. What's this level here? How have I got it down here? That is 1842.49. 1842.49. Yeah, basically. Cool. Looks like it's just gonna play that range now, so take it from there really. Not really looking at it. Silver as well, looks like it'll probably bleed out as well. Right? Yeah. This would have been a nice. But anyway, yeah. So that's all I had really. For the next week, I'm just gonna be clear guidelines like I had done this this week. You know, basically all the trades hit. You know, what did I do for the pound yen? 1 sec. Oh yeah, this was a choppy one. Yeah, don't matter. So just stick to my plan, and I've got so many other commitments as well, so I should just simplify my trade and not try to play level to level at the moment. I'm happy with my progress. Like I can genuinely read how the week is gonna go now, and I'm not complicating my shit. So yeah, but that was it really. Like I wrote it down as well. So if I started on 700 and then I played the New Zealand trade first, 3 positions, that'll be a plus 173. Accounts on 873 now. Aussie 3 positions, 500 prof, about 1.3 account growth. Euro GBP 2 positions, 300 profit, 1.6 account, and GBP USD about 142 profit. My account's on 1.7, and that's almost my growth target for the month achieved. So it's about sticking to the plan really. And if I do have a level to level, please just do it on the paper. Leave my live account to do the swings, because it can do it. And I just need to practice on how to scale in positions, scale out, that's all. And that will come within a month really. Like you know, like you messed up, cool, but adding to positions is alright. So I'm not doing anything wrong apart from my execution. That's it. I'm not even emotionally attached to the trades like that. So yeah, good progress so far. I think the future is very bright. I'm very happy. So yeah. I'll drop a video for myself on the Sunday evening maybe, or if not then the Monday. So yeah. See you in a bit.